Okay. Good day, viewers. Here before us again is another iPod, is another device, is an iPod, trying to remove the pouch. This is iPod A1574. That's a model of this iPod. So we are going to, so now what's the problem with this iPod? What's the problem? We he told me that the client said the if he puts the charger, it will it will not show charging, and if it shows charging, you must press it. If it must show charging, you must press it at the bottom this way. So once it takes off his hand, it goes off. Now let's give it a try and see if what we were told about the problem was correct. Now I have let me get a cord, iPhone cord. Let me get an iPhone cord. Okay, one gotten. Let's check. Let's check if that complaint is correct. Is it correct? Correct. Okay. All right. Let's put this. We have now it's showing this. It will not improve. It will not increase according to him. Can we see the? Now it has gone off, but it won't. It will never increase. So I suspect that the the flex that connects with the board from the battery probably is displaced, because he told me it fell from him. So let us check carefully. Let's open the iPod. This needs to be done carefully so as not to damage the screen. This needs to be done carefully. We will get this opened and come back for this video, so we won't waste your time. Okay, now we said we will be opening the screen, opening the iPod screen, removing it, taking it away so that we can access the internal part of it, all other flexes and connections under this metallic sheets, these aluminum sheets. So how did we open it? We engaged sharp objects at the edge, in the surrounding edges. So we lifted it up, and we had to apply some heat here using the workstation to release the sticky gummy nature of this end. The gum there very strong, so we need some heat to soften it so that it can be lifted up. So eventually we were able to remove it, and now we will try and lose some screws, some very tiny screws around here. I think it has been opened before because the screw here is not there, this is not there, this is not there, and then which other one? Every other one is available. So we'll remove the ones that are available. We'll remove this one, move two, because we need to remove all of this. That's where we'll be able to access the contact, the battery. That's where we'll be able to see the battery. We'll be able to see the other flexes. Here is the flex to the screen. Then in the course of it, the touch screen, a little part of the touch screen got broken. It was cracked before we started opening it. So from the client end, I think it was already cracked. So that got removed while we were trying to remove the screen from the casing. All right, I think all of the screws are already removed. So try and see if we can lift up the, where's my tweezer? Try and see if we can lift up the metallic casing, the metallic sheets here. Okay, there's another screw that need to be loosed here, loosen here. Okay, there's another one here. Shit, you need to be careful so as not to cause some more damage on board. So remove what is holding this. There, and there's a screw here. Okay, it's removed. Finally removed. All right. Okay, can you see? We can see some sellotapes used already. Here is the battery. Said it fell from him and the thing is no more working. So what is wrong? The terminal is soldered on board. As we can see here are the three terminals, 1, 2, 3. Is it well? Is it in place? I don't think so. So if not, we'll have to solder it properly. It's like this part of the screen, then this part of the battery is not properly soldered on board. So let us read. Does the battery have some charge? If not, the charger might not be able to charge it properly. Let's check. Is 3.8 volts. 3.8 volts. Okay. 3.8 volts. All right. Now let's see if, okay, let me check with the charger and see if there's an improvement in the voltage. 3.8 volts. Now that I have applied charger, it should be more than 3.8 volts. Check the screen. Now it's 4 volts. Now you can see the screen is on now. This time around it's on. Can you see? Can you see the phone came on? Phone came on, which was not like that before. So we will, but the terminal is not properly soldered on board. So that's what we are going to be doing. We will solder the battery terminal properly on board. That was the problem. So I need to apply some soldering paste at that location for good fuse, for it to fuse properly, on board. So let us apply some. So by the time we apply the lead and the heat, it will properly fuse on board. So I think while doing this kind of soldering, one has to be very careful such that the terminals will not breach. Otherwise, you can cause some issues to the phone. So now let's test again and see the result of this soldering. Now you can see the screen come on. Screen came on. Let's remove it and put it again. Screen came on. Okay, also suspecting that the screen flex too. has some issues. Screen flex still has some issues. Yeah, the soldering, the lead is not yet no good contact. I have to hold down at that terminal here. Can you see my finger on that spot? So I have to hold down on it for this light to be stable, for this display on the screen to be very stable. Let me remove my hand now. So it has gone off. So I will try and see if I can make the soldering perfected. I think something is still wrong with the soldering. Let me do that carefully. The screen, I'm sure the battery is glued down. It's glued. It's glued. Battery is glued. Trying to see if I can remove it. Yeah, battery is removed. Let me desolder it. Desolder the battery. This is not the kind of soldering iron that I'm supposed to use. It should have been a very tiny soldering iron. This other part of the terminal is not connected on board. I think that's the only issue we have. This part, this one that I'm touching here is not connected on board. Let me ensure that it's connected. Let me ensure that it's connected. Okay. From what I'm seeing now, that's the only issue this has. So this is connected. It's connected. Okay. I believe this must have resolved it. It's connected now. It's no more lifting like before. So now let's apply the, yeah, it's on. It's permanently on now. Can you see? So this is already resolved. Resolved. I believe it's resolved. It's resolved. Yeah. I can hear a sound. Yeah, it came on. So finally, we're able to resolve this. So what was the problem of this one? It was just showing the battery indication when you plug in the charger. According to him, it failed initially, and afterwards, each time he puts in the connector, the battery charger, it will display that battery logo as if it's charging, and it will never increase. So we decided to open it, and we found out that the battery has been lifted from off the board. One of the terminals, there are three terminals: the positive, the negative, and the data connection, to the board that synchronizes the details of the battery, with the chip on board. So that particular terminal is okay. The positive, the negative is okay. It's the positive terminal that got lifted from off this board, so it couldn't charge. And we're able to get that resolved, and it is working now. If you are just watching this video, or you are just watching any of our videos, you are new, please, we'd like for you to subscribe to our channels, like all of our videos, watch some of them, can learn from them. Then in our comment section, you can ask questions, and then share our videos. And if you are not new, you have been around, you've been watching us, we still need your supports as you comment on our videos and like them. Like the ones you have not liked before, comment on the ones you have not commented on before, and we will do well to respond to all of your comments. We'll like your comments as well, as that goes a long way to helping the visibility of our videos to the YouTube world. Thank you, and see you in the next video.